Eating high-protein foods helps to maintain one's appetite, food intake, and also helps to protect strong, healthy bones.
Good afternoon, my name is Jason Williams. Here at Fit Farm, we're going to do some dancing now. Rhythm up. Ready guys, let's go. We're gonna start with a nice step to the side, right and left, just like that. Let's go, come on. Tap, tap, now give me some arms. Out. You ready?
I love dancing. I believe I can do a thing when it comes on to dancing. So I like the classes. I learn new moves and I get to express myself freely. It's not like I'm in a dancehall setting where if you don't do the dance correctly, people look down on you. In the dance class, you can do it any way you want to do it and nobody really say no. So dance class is an opportunity for me to express myself and release some stress.
Again, come on, move it, come on. 4, 3 more, 2, come on, 1, right here, we're gonna 1.
Dance class is challenging for me, yes. I think because of my body weight, because when I was younger, I used to party all night. I used to dance, I used to do something in a dance, yeah. Back then. So now that I've gotten the weight, I know it's a little bit challenging.
Move it. Now give me those hands, circle. Little speed on it now, Sandy. Ready, guys? Turn it up a little bit now, Sandy.
You want breadfruit? Just tell me if you want breadfruit. Breadfruit.
Come
You want breadfruit? Get you down to them called breadfruit.
Shake it up.
Watch you dance.
Shake it up.
Roast or fry. Get you down. Roast or fry. Breadfruit. You want breadfruit?
The reason I was more comfortable is the type of music. I really don't like soca. I think soca involves more whining than really the dancehall. And whining on my thing, I can't whine to save my life. But then Jason had some really character move that it was fun. I enjoyed myself.
Breadfruit. You want breadfruit? Just tell me if you want breadfruit. Breadfruit. You want breadfruit? Get you down to them called breadfruit.
I like the classes. I learn new moves and I get to express myself freely. It's not like I'm in a dancehall setting where if you don't do the dance correctly, people look down on you. In the dance class, you can do it any way you want to do it and nobody will really say no. So dance class is an opportunity for me to express myself and release some stress.
With regards to dancing, what I would like to do now that I couldn't do again. Well, back in the day, I could go on my head top.
Give me that.
You want breadfruit? Get you down to them called breadfruit. Watch you dance. Roast or fry. Get you down. Roast or fry. Breadfruit. You want breadfruit? Tell me if you want roast breadfruit.
You're not done yet, Big Pa. You're not done yet.
You see the carnival energy where the man have in our class? The man directly jump up to the ceiling. Wishing we can jump up to the ceiling. If all of we in a losing it jump at that level, at that point, believe me, I don't think Fit Farm will have a ground left. You understand? It'll be 6 big hole.
Let's say he's mad. You realize how long before I said this man crazy, how we jump so high and so fast. Once we go up, we come back down with 10 pounds.
You understand? So the jumping something there when I really go feed. You understand? And him start do some little something where too much energy. Somebody have to say me does that, but me the kind of injure for real. Me the injure.
Today in dance class, him be just too energetic. Him a high, like me don't know him drink before him come to class, but him did a high. Him move them too swift and then him legs them a go up so and him and them. It's like him want to go through the roof now. Me try. But like some never do nothing like me can't follow upon him. You know the whole time. Me try. And what me could do, me do.
All right, guys, relax. Good. Hey, we're not done yet.
My trainer know that I'm a very I have a lot of energy, and from him say the energy level dropping, you know that this client is injured. So I can see when my trainer take his foot in his hand and run towards the fridge to get the ice because you know that I'm injured. But once you see Brittany slow down, you know that is Brittany. So that is no different. But from the energy, slow down on Big Pop, you know something is wrong. So he went to get the ice immediately.
Bring it it up. Exhale now. Sit. Give yourself a big round of applause.
Contestants step into the ring on the other side of this break. It's challenge time. This is Losing It. The wait is over. Soon come.